Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and picking key settings, aspect ratio, resolution, and style. This shapes output quality and framing. Once done, write a concise primary prompt that states subject, mood, and action. Then add 1 to 2 modifiers for color, lighting, or era. Those refine results. Make sure to avoid ambiguity. Specific nouns and adjectives lead to clearer images. Don't waste time on menu nonsense. Start creating the core prompt now, and you'll iterate faster. Once you have a base image, iterate. Use variations and seed controls to explore alternatives without losing a favored composition. Apply negative prompts to remove unwanted elements, because carving away problems is faster than adding more detail. Adjust modifiers, lighting, lens type, and color palette to shift mood predictably. Make sure to inspect thumbnails closely, then upscale the best candidate for final detail. This step-by-step refinement avoids random outcomes and gives you consistent, controllable images that match your intent. You finish by exporting the image in the correct format and checking resolution and color profile for your use. If you see artifacts or odd anatomy, rerun with clearer prompts, stronger negative terms, or higher sampling settings. This usually fixes glitches. Make sure to crop or do minor edits in a photo editor for final polish. Dall E3 is best when paired with light postwork. One troubleshooting tip: if results drift, reset seeds and simplify the prompt to recenter the model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.